Today, I'm going to tackle a topic that is disturbing a lot of people on the internet, and that is it true that you can actually make money on the internet? Yes, it is true, but also on the other side, it's not. Yeah. And how do I say this? Like, imagine if you go on internet and you find a channel like mine, and for example, you watch a few minutes, a few seconds, like here, and then I show you a website that you can make money from. So what you do is mostly you run away very fast because you want the money. Yeah. So what happens in that scenario? Two things are going to happen. Number one, you're going to go there with very little information about this website, and then also when you reach to this website, some people are actually they are very sharp in that you find that a person can just visit this website once and they're able to figure out things very fast. For example, here in my channel, I discuss about how to make money on the internet, how to do transcription jobs, and that means writing, translating audio into text, using websites, yeah, that hire people online. When people watch my videos, some of them are successful, some of them are not, which is disturbing for me. I want my viewers to be able to gain the benefits of working on the internet, and I have personally benefited from this, and that's why I'm passionate about making this kind of videos. It makes me happy to share this kind of information with the people outside there, because there's so many people like me, so many dropouts from school, and you don't have ways to make money, yeah, and that is trouble, yeah. So what do you do in this case? When this kind of a thing happens, one thing I advise my people is you have to be willing to do whatever it takes for you to benefit from internet. Yeah, what do I mean? You have to think of it this way: the internet doesn't know you, the internet doesn't favor you, and when you think in that kind of mindset, all you have to do is exploit anything that you see that comes across. Yeah, and that means you find every website that pays people for working on the internet by category. Number one, let's start by transcription as an example. There are so many wide range websites there outside that provide jobs for transcription. Some of them are beginner level, some of them are intermediate, some of them are really expertise. So you start by registration. Yeah, all these people need registration first. When you register, they'll give you a test definitely to do. Yeah, and in most cases you're going to fail if you're just starting this up. So the first thing you have to do is register to the bunch that you know. Register to every website that you know. Register to Transcribe, register to Scribe, register to Rev, register to Remote Task, register to every website that you know that does transcription. Yeah, so that you can make your chances of getting a job easy. Transcription is a little, let's say, tricky job to do. So sometimes you go to a website and you successfully have passed their test, but they don't have work for you. Yeah, and that is where it's important for you to register to very many websites, so that if you don't have a job in one of them, you have a job in the other. And if you want more money, you might be having two jobs at once, and you have more time. Just imagine how much money you can make. And that's the advice I can give you. I've seen so many people commenting in my videos like, this is not working for me, this has refused to work, I failed to register, I failed to do the test. I'm not the problem. You are the problem. Yeah, your brain is the problem. You're stuck with one video. Watch every video that I have about any specific job online. Yeah, register to all of them with a guarantee. Actually, when you're registering, just put it in your head like, maybe I'm not going to be accepted. When you have that kind of mindset, it's going to strive you to even look for more other websites. And as I told you before even register to a website, research very well about this website. Research in a level that even you yourself is intrigued. You're convinced, that this is the best website I want to tackle. And if you have that kind of perspective, then you're good. You're good. And if any of the information I've given you so far is important in your line of work, please subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next video, because I'm going to be making many videos about making money on the internet to make you succeed in your life, and we start pushing this together. One thing I like before I go is to tell you that personally I work online, so don't get bothered and say this is a scammer, this is a person who just wants us to view his video. Now, I'm passionate about this, and if someone is passionate about something, you can achieve something. As you can see, I don't have so many subscribers, and that's why I'm requesting you to subscribe. I'm requesting you to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you're losing a lot of things, and that is bad for me. I feel bad for you. I feel bad for myself that you're not subscribing, and I don't know what else to say. What I can tell you is my secret: register to very many websites that provide online payment, online job. Register to very many, 10, 50, as much as it takes. As long as you can keep track of where you've registered and keep track of the email addresses like you've used for registration, and this will give you a chance to monitor if you've been accepted or you have been paid. So what works well for you, you concentrate on that. What works well for you, you'll concentrate on that. And that is what I have for today. Subscribe if you want to support the video, and let's see you again in the next video or chapter. Bye.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna